we're gonna be doing something.
Project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is gonna look
From
like
the
this.
yeah, like it's not for a bird.
It's gonna be for me.
She's a bird. Yeah, but there's a problem.
What?
That you don't have the little thing that they have.
What?
You don't have it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, wait.
First, this is not. That's from the like.
Shut your mouth. Damn it. What? Shut. Damn. Okay, so it says here to glue these with the base. This is the base. And these are the fences. So we're gonna glue them with this glue that it brings. Okay. So you want to leave it pressed there. Tito, ven para acá. Ven. Okay, so you want to let it dry. Okay, so right now it's kind of dry. Okay, so let me do it with the rest. I'll come with you when I did it with the rest. So right now I'm kind of finished. Right now, right now it needs to dry. And while that is drying, I'm going to do the rest of the stuff. Okay, so this glue didn't glue that well. So my dad, I told him to glue this with crazy glue, so he did it with crazy glue. And it's drying right now. So I'm not going to put this here because it's actually not going to be a bird feeder. It's going to be for me. I'm still going to have a bird house. There were birds.
I know, I thought I was going to get them. Oh my gosh, I think it's going to stick to the thing. Table. Okay, I am coming back. And I'm using 5, 4.
Okay, guys, destroyed because it was
stick to the table.
But
so,
now I'm gonna redo it. With this glue, these because it's easy like that.
Oh wait, now you need.
Can you help me?
Yeah, but like twist it because it will be.
It's gonna be kind of hard. So now we need to wait 1 hour. I'm not lying. So yeah.
Oh, I mean, let's put Clark in the trampoline. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. Is it bad?
It would just burn your skin.
Okay, maybe not. We're just gonna have a pool party in the trampoline.
Hey, we can do it. Sebastian's birthday. Sebastian's birthday.
Today was he's 9 months old. He's almost 1 year old and he knows how to run already.
Run, walk, and he's just like, how old? I mean,
9 months.
I need a towel. I need a wet paper. Fast!
Oh, here, get this. Wait, let me wet it because it's kind of dry.
And then match. Oh my gosh. One time in the crazy glue, I stick my hands in where I came from. Please don't say where I came from.
What?
When I came from Cuba,
Yeah.
before.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, this is really that girl. I'll say your dad. Daddy, I need to do something else.
If I tell my dad to glue this with crazy glue,
I'm gonna tell you.
he's
Girl.
not gonna kill me, but he's gonna be overhead. He's gonna be there like for 30 seconds, and then he'll wake up, and then he'll do it.
Everything is falling apart. That's why I didn't want to get it. I knew this was gonna happen. I always the one that wins.
I don't care if it falls apart. I still want it.
Just wasting money. It just looks like you're
And
not
no
the one
worries,
that
it
worked.
was only $1.
I wasn't a dollar tree. We went to.
They're googly eyes.
Why would you even need that, Amy?
It was for my project on.
You took it to school?
I haven't done it yet.
Let me see it.
It's not done yet.
Let me see it.
It's the same.
So let me see it. I want to show them to her.
It's in mi cómoda.
You're lazy to get it.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm lazy. Do you pay attention to classrooms?
Sometimes.
Sometimes I'm just like,
Sometimes I.
this is me. This is me on time.
Sometimes I'm texting my mom, my dad to go pick me up, and sometimes I'm just checking the time.
You're just doing it?
Checking the time or texting my parents.
For 6.
Girl, you have slippy hands, and then you're telling me that I have slippy
You
hands.
have everything fell from your hand. Oh, those are mine for yours.
Mine. I have mine done, and I put it down here.
Oh, I forgot. Let me show them your Halloween basket. And bring me mine if you can find it somewhere. Oh, there, mine's is here.
So what were we laughing about again?
I don't know. There. I'm doing airy work. I didn't have school today because there was teacher playing there.
Find it.
My hands are stick. I think they are in your room.
I will check the memory.
And I'm gonna let that dry for about both of them. For a couple. I forgot to glue this. Wait. We need to glue the walls, I mean. That's why they're falling apart.
Superhero.
You're Batgirl. Your brother is Batman.
What?
That's from the thing their brother got.
Oh.
The
I
man.
thought this came with my thing also.
Okay.
Oh, now I get it.
You need to glue something now that your dad is not gonna glue.
If you need some light, no worries. Because I have a...
Finger light?
No.
A flashlight.
Uh,
Let's call it that.
okay, a finger light.
Wait, how do you glue this?
It's a finger flashlight. I mean, it grows on you when you know a lot of gymnastics, but that you also like Shopkins and squishies a lot.
I mean, Amy, ask me rather about gymnastics than anything else. I will answer in minutes.
Okay. Which do you like more, gymnastics or football?
Gymnastics. Football.
Really?
Gymnastics. Football.
Okay. Do you think monsters are real?
Monsters? No. That's not even a rather, Amy.
Yes, I do.
The walls, yeah, the walls.
Like like also by
This thing is gone.
finger flash, but also like my finger flash. Like,
Can you get a toothpick somewhere, please? My fingers can
We
hold
have
it.
toothpicks everywhere. We got
Yeah.
this size
big-
and this size.
big guns. That's for barbecue.
Okay, let me put this away.
Someone's in the backyard? Check in the window. I feel like someone it is.
All I see is poop. All I see is poop.
Who? From who?
What are you doing?
Too much glue.
All I
Wait,
see is
I-
poop. Why did you put so much? Or why did you put there?
Because you need to stick. You don't know the ruler, glue? Okay, I done it in my hand again.
But at least I can add it to my collection. Well, thank you guys for trying. But we've been out here all day. We haven't found zilch. I guess it's time to pack it up. Oh, really, Squeaks?
I went to the store and everything.
We can try again tomorrow.
Amy, no. Do you ever heard of the song Anaconda?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you dance?
Okay. My anaconda dough.
Wait. No, put the camera on the floor. We'll finish this. And dance it how you dance it, twerking and stuff like that.
I don't know the whole song.
Yeah, you play the song every day, Amy. Out loud. One day they even call the police because she played that song too much. Right?
Yes.
They almost arrested their mom today. Their mom saved you.
All I see is poop. All I see is poop.
Really? Let me see
All I
it.
see is poop. It's right out here.
Bring it in, please.
Hey! I'm like Zach King. I'm gonna go through this door.
How is fire?
Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time.
You need to put the angle that they don't see you go through the door that much that you're going this way. I can see your head.
Can they see me?
Yeah.
Okay, so look. All I
Okay.
see is water. All I see is tea.
You know Amy? You know what?
Oh, you guys know what? I have an iPhone.
Oh, shit.
iPhone 7.
An iPhone 5. You have an iPhone 5? 5? I think they're even gonna take it. They're even gonna take it from you because you don't even pay attention to your class stuff. You always taking your parents.
Like once they took my tablet and they took Kaylee's phone because like, I told on Kaylee and Kaylee told on me.
Why you took out your tablet?
I was using my tablet.
Miss Arcia?
No, I was using my tablet and Kaylee was using her phone and then they saw her using her phone. So then, no, it wasn't me or her that they saw using the phone. So then one of us told on, one of us?
One of you guys.
Yeah, like someone saw one of us playing with our tablet or iPhone. So then they took it.
Do you have an iPhone?
They took iPhone, yes. Okay, guys. So bye. See you another.
Part 2.
We are gonna do another part 2 in
And I think we'll be
20
finished.
seconds. In 20 seconds.
1.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Bye.
Okay. We're gonna see
Give
you.
a thumbs up.
Bye. See you in 2 seconds.
One.